Here we are with a solution that repair corrupt BKF files, created by Windows NT Backup and Symantec Backup. Aryson backup.exe BKF recovery software have multiple scanning and recovery modes to help users execute corrupt BKF file recovery in the most successful way. Let's check out the software features. Quick recovery of maximum possible data from corrupt BKF files. Software supports recovery of compressed and split BKF files. Smart file preview option of recovered files before saving them. Software can decompress the BKF file and restore the original data. If you are using any versions of Windows mentioned here, then please launch the software as Run as Administrator. Now let's install and run the software. Choose the Open option from the main menu, and select the files that you want to recover. Now select the recovery mode. Either set complete range or partial range. And click OK. This will start your scanning process. Select the particular file from the right panel to preview your recovered BKF file data. Save the recovered BKF file by clicking in Save button, and select the destination folder to store recovered BKF file. Click on OK button when process is complete. Close the application. Log on to given product page for more details. For query, to contact with us. Thanks for watching video.